In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add widgets on Monday.com. Let's get started by ensuring you're logged into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, head over to your dashboard area by clicking the plus sign found in the interface. From there, select Dashboard. You have the opportunity to personalize your dashboard, giving it a name that suits your organizational needs or your personal preference. After deciding on the perfect name, hit the Create Dashboard button to take the next step. Now you'll notice two Add Widget options. At the top, there's an Add Widget button, while in the center of your new dashboard, you'll see Add Your First Widget. Either option is fine, so choose the one that feels intuitively right for you. Clicking this will reveal a drop-down menu populated with a variety of widgets you can add to your dashboard. If the widget you're eyeing isn't immediately visible or part of the initial options, don't worry, just click on More Widgets. This will open up a wider selection, giving you the ability to browse through or search for something specific that caters to your needs. Now, if you're feeling a bit creative or need something tailored specifically for your workflow, you can take advantage of the Create option in the search bar to develop your very own custom widget. This feature really empowers you to personalize your Monday.com experience even further. Once you've found the perfect widget or decided against creating a custom one, the process of adding it is straightforward. Simply click Add Widget, and voila, it's now part of your dashboard. And that's pretty much it. By following these steps, you've successfully added a widget to your Monday.com dashboard, enhancing its functionality and efficiency according to your planning or project management needs. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found value in what you've learned, make sure to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts or questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials. This way, you'll stay updated with all the tips and tricks to optimize your workflow on Monday.com and other platforms. Thanks for watching, and have a great day exploring the endless possibilities with your new dashboard widgets.